Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to disable automatic smart quotes and keep straight quotation marks in Microsoft PowerPoint. This instantly stops the software from forcefully curling your quotation marks and apostrophes into stylized curly shapes, keeping your coding scripts, technical text, and presentation layouts perfectly clean with standard straight lines. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Proofing tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very top section layout and click the large button explicitly headed AutoCorrect Options. A secondary properties box will open instantly. Locate and click on the internal tab pane explicitly labeled Auto Format as you type. Look under the top section header explicitly labeled Replace as you type to find your punctuation formatting rules. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Straight Quotes with Smart Quotes. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely freeze the automatic real-time text curling engine. Click the OK button at the bottom of the AutoCorrect window, then click OK again on the main configuration panel to lock your choices into the system core. And that's it! Your raw, straight quotation typography layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.